All right, today we're gonna make a volcano, a real volcano with real lava. And here's how we're gonna do it. All right, here, you hold this. All right, first we need to make a volcano. And we need a cup or something that we can put inside so that we can mix all the stuff up in it. So I'm gonna make a volcano. Let's see. There we go.
I mean, can I up with sand? Like that?
Alright, now we have our volcano with our cup inside of it. And now it's time to mix up the lava. So, we're gonna put some vinegar. We're gonna put some vinegar in a cup.
That
much.
That smells like this.
And what color lava should we make?
I think we should make regular lava, so let's make red lava.
Okay, let me see this. To make red lava, we're gonna put some red drops in there. All right. And where'd our stick go? Here's our stick. You wanna stir our lava up? Okay. And then we're just gonna pour some baking soda into the lava chamber. All right. Now, are we ready for lava? You want to pour it in the chamber, or do you want me to? We'll do it at the same time.
Okay.
All right. Here we go. Get it all in there. Whoa! Whoa! Where's the stirrer at? Woo. Let's pour a little more in there.
I'm gonna do lava. I'm gonna do a different color lava now.
Alright, what color should we do now?
I think blue now.
Okay.
Blue in that.
Let's see, let me make sure this is all stirred. Alright. Now we need a little more lava. Let's see. This. Put some blue drops in it. There you go. Just put some blue in there. A little more. That's probably good. All right, stir our drops up. And then I'm gonna add a little more baking soda. There should be enough in there. All right, do you want to try to pour it in this time?
Yeah.
Okay.
So put that liquid. Time to put it.
Here we go. Pour it in, pour it in, pour it in. Go, go, go. Whoa! The volcano's erupting.
You want me to do it more?
Yeah, you can pour some more in.
I'm gonna do it more.
Okay. Whoa! There goes the volcano. That was a big one.
Because I put so much vinegar.
Uh-huh.
And more.
More volcano.
Okay, more volcano.
Oh, where's the stir at? There it goes. Whoa!
I want to make...
That's a lot of lava.
Now I want to make yellow lava, which is in here.
Okay. Let's see. We need some more lava. Get your cup. Put your cup down.
More lava. I want to put the yellow drops in now.
Okay, here you go.
Got
go, 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 go. That's probably good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I want to stay.
Alright, let's see.
Alright.
Where'd our stir go? There it is. Now stir that up. Alright, I'll put a little, make sure we've got some baking soda in here.
Now we
Put this back. Alright, you want to pour it? Make the lava. It's all ready. Here we go, yellow lava. Go, 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 go. Whoa! Yellow lava. That's kind of got some blue in it, so that's kind of like green lava.
Yeah.
Whoa! Mm-hmm. Stir it up.
I'm gonna get some more.
Pour it all in. Pour it all in at once. Go, 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 go! Whoa! That one ran down 3 different ways. And that is how you make a volcano.
But I want to do the green.
All right, we're just gonna say bye on the video.
Okay.
All right, and that's how you make a volcano. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.